Good morning, everyone. I am back bringing you another YouTube video, and today we have a pretty cool little video. Going to be a vlog style video. We're starting it off by giving this thing an oil change. I'm not going to show most of it. I know you guys have seen this a million times. So I'm going to get this oil change done, and then we hit the road. All right, guys, we're on the road. I got fresh oil in this thing. Let's give her a rip, shall we? Oh, great. There's a freaking truck turning. Roll the windows down a little bit. Sport mode engaged. God damn. Oh, I love turbos. Turbochargers are fun. It's been quite a while since I've had you guys in my forehead like this. And honestly, I really missed it. These are some of my favorite videos to make. I just get to freaking drive around and talk. It's fun. And make some cool noises. Oh, we got some twisties coming up here. Downshift, roll up the windows. Downshift again. We're just gonna hold this gear. I know this one's pretty sharp up here. Woo! Goddamn! Oh, train tracks. Brake! Oh, okay, they weren't that bad. If any of you guys out there have installed an oil catch can on one of these cars, but when I go like 50, not even 50, less than 50% throttle, like, I don't know, basically when my boost gauge reads 0, when I am at not boost or vacuum, when I'm at 0 PSI or somewhere in that area, my oil catch can makes a buttload of noise. It sounds like it's rattling like crazy. I don't think it is rattling, but it sounds like it. Anyway, if you guys have any experience with this, please let me know. I'm at a loss. I really have no idea what's going on with it. Man, I never drive my car this hard, so this is weird for me. Kind of makes me nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but it's fun. I really do love this car, man. Obviously, I don't have money right now, but me being a car person, I always want a new car or whatever. I really, really want to switch up this formula. I love this car. It's perfect for what it is. But I really want a manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, naturally aspirated car. That's what I want next. And there's options, but there's not many. Let's see, and I want more power too. That's the other thing. I want more power, which immediately takes away the BRZs and the Miatas, and even the new BRZ and GR86. They're cool, but I want a little more power. I want like 300 plus. So I've always wanted a 5.0 Mustang, a Mustang GT, preferably like 2013 to 2013 and up. That'd be ideal. I'd love that. Get the 5.0 manual. That'd be perfect. It's naturally aspirated rear drive manual. Those are my requirements. Really, I'm thinking a 5.0. But I also could be down for like a C5 Corvette. Hell, even a C6 if I could afford it. I think that'd be cool too. I know I'm probably not alone when I say this, but I love driving through towns like this with the buildings surrounding you, because then you can go like this and hear it very well. Like, that's just so cool. Ay, ay, ay. There's an S2000 over there that's been there forever. Oh, there's a new WRX right there too. Man, those things are not pretty, are they? Damn. The poor WRX, man. not double clutching like I should. And we made it to the gym. I know, I'm one of those people that made a resolution to go to the gym more often. So yes, mock me in the comments, make fun of me. But I am doing it. I am going to the gym more. And I have been, and it's been going well. I don't want to park right next to people, man. God, I hate parking right next to people. Oh, we'll pull through here. I'm sure you guys are with me too. You always park in the farthest spot away possible, and then your girlfriend yells at you and gets mad at you, especially when it's freezing outside. I know I'm not the only one. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I have a lot of fun making videos like that. If you want to see more POV driving and stuff, comment down below. I love all you guys. Thank you so much for your support recently, even though I don't post much. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day.